Hi YouTube. I got a new purse because Coach was having a sale, a big sale, so I was like, oh my god, finally, these purses that I really like, they're actually on sale. I can't believe it, oh my god. So I ordered 2 to see which color I'd like better, and then I'll make my decision. Maybe I'll end up with 2, hopefully not, because my wallet. But yeah, I'm gonna unbox it with you guys. Hey, Suki, that's not for attacking. Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna unbox it with you guys and show you and give you my thoughts. It came in this massive box. It's huge. Wait, oh wait, is it like this? Like this, That's... I unboxed one of the boxes the other day already, and I opened it up and there was nothing in it. I'm like, what the heck? What the actual heck? Oh my god, look how big this box is and how tiny the bag is. Like, hello? Why? Unnecessary? I thought I asked for gift wrapping. Where's my gift wrapping? They didn't gift wrap it. The heck? Is this gift wrapping? What kind of scam is this? Okay, here's the receipt. Here's the bag. I want to see if the other one was gift wrapped because I'm currently disappointed. I requested gift wrapping. Ugh. They sent a big old box and they couldn't gift wrap it for me. Okay, this one got gift wrapped. Okay, I see. So here's a thank you note. Okay, cute. We got the brown paper. Very environmentally friendly. I like it. There we go. This is what I'm talking about. Ignore my messy chair. Beautiful. My cat likes the box. He says 10 out of 10 I would keep. So yeah, this bag is, well, you'll see in a second, but you'll also know by the title. Yeah. Oh my god, they tied this tight. The excitement. Ribbon for my cats, Kappa. I'm not gonna give that to my cats. I'm ripping the wrapping paper. Oh my gosh, they wrapped it very nicely. Oh, they put it in the little bag, little dust bag. Okay. Suki is claiming the box. Does not surprise me. I'm praying that this one is not a crinkled bag, because, like, oftentimes... Oh, there's kind of a dent. There's a little dent. But it's pretty good condition. Okay. It looks pretty good condition. Actually, I'm surprised. I just gotta make sure the hardware works and everything. But I really like this one. Okay, and then I gotta compare it. Apparently, like from what I've noticed, the Pillow Tabbies that are the Ombre have a sheen to them, and they look more prone to wrinkling. Here's the other bag. Now we make the decision which one I keep. I kind of am feeling the pink one. So this one is like a pastel ombre color. Oh god, the way they wrapped this one. It's like tangled here. There we go. It's like wrapped in some sort of soft tissue paper. Okay. Ooh, this one's less creased too. Oh my god. It's in really good condition. Oh my god. So which one do I keep? This one? Or this one? This is a very shiny feeling bag. Oh my god. I'm gonna unwrap the strap. So you can see what I'm doing here. I need a second opinion. Do I keep both? Which one is more like would go with my outfits? Pastel-y? They're both so cute. Dang it. They're both so cute. Dang it. Oh man. Why does this have to be like so wrapped? Ignore all this. Ignore all this. Or I think I like this one. Alright, we gotta continue unboxing it. So, I decided I'm gonna keep this one because, for one, it's in beautiful condition. And the blends of the pink and orange, they just don't seem to blend as nicely. Like, it's not as nice of a gradient. It's like bright orange, bright pink, then it goes to faded pink, faded orange, whereas they should have just, like, kept it either pastel or the bright colors, and it would have looked better, in my opinion. Still, I like the colors a lot, though, but yeah, I think this is cute. So I'm going to keep her and see what actually fits in this. The one thing I'm disappointed about, I got a free gift with my order for spending so much. This. And they only sent me one. They were supposed to send one with both purses, and they sent me one box that just had tissue paper in it. I'm like, what the hell? But yeah, it's a free little card case. And then you can put your cards in it. I think it's made of smooth leather. Not quite sure. Sometimes it's so frustrating to get all these little things off. Oh, there goes random paper, question mark? But yeah, I wanted to use this today, so that's why I'm unwrapping it. The one thing I'm concerned about is this going to fit my wallet? So I'm taking all the stuffing out. A lot of stuffing. Oh, some silica gel, nice, okay. Praggy, that, oh, it's got a dust bag, of course. Praggy, that this is gonna fit. Oh, so let me just show you. The inside is the Napa leather as well. All completely on the inside, I believe. I don't think there's any fabric. No, it's entirely Napa leather on the inside. Whereas the larger version has like a little fabric zipper pocket in the inside. So yeah, this is entirely Napa leather. I don't know what the difference in this is, but this bag is shiny compared to the regular one. It's like got a glossy finish on it, so I don't know how it's going to hold up. Hopefully it holds up well. And I'm not sure how I'll maintain the bag and condition it and stuff. We'll see though. Okay, I just want to make sure this wallet fits. Otherwise I'm going to need a new wallet. This is my main wallet I'm using right now. The Studio wallet. Let's see if it fits. Uh-oh. She does not fit. Oh no. She definitely does not fit. I guess I need to use a different wallet with this. Maybe when I return the other bag, I'll look for a mini bag or a mini wallet. I'm just checking the hardware. Works good. Other side. Other side works good. Cute. Cute little baby bag. So here's a little dust bag. It's like a silky nylon material. Nice. Let's get the baby strap out. Release it from its prison. Hold on. Oh, this plastic, so much plastic. I'm sorry, environment, I'm sorry. How do other people do this so seamlessly? Let's try this. Very nice, cute. That's cute. I'm just sad my wallet doesn't fit in it. It's too big. It's a big one. See, I love this. They're on sale right now at Coach.com, so if you're interested in the Ombre bags, now's the time to get one. Well, they're 50% off. I think this looks cute. It dresses up any like plain outfit like what I'm wearing right now, just really casual. Goes good with like summery pastel colors and stuff, so yeah. She's definitely a keeper. She's in good condition. It's hard to find these bags that don't have like wrinkles across the top, dents and stuff like that on the front or back. And this one just really, I got lucky with this one. So yeah, gonna take her out for a spin today. And I'll try styling it with a more pastel outfit soon. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video when I review my other bags. Also, I will do a what's in my bag, what fits in my bag, because this is a very small bag, so like, it can't fit a lot. So yeah, bye! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like purses. Tell me your favorite Coach purse in the comments. I'd love to hear. Alright, bye-bye!